Hello world! Welcome back to the Intro to Python series. In this video, we will be covering variables in Python 3. Variables store data or values at a location in memory. They can be used in a script or interactive interface to access and manipulate the data that is stored at the address the variable maps to. You use an equals symbol to assign values to a variable. This symbol is also referred to as the assignment operator, but we will be discussing the different types of operators in later videos. There are 5 standard variable types available to Python 3: numbers, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. We will be going more in depth with each of these data types in future videos as well. Python also has other built-in data types such as hex, binary, and octal, but each of those are a subset of one of the main 5 types. Variables can be manipulated by operators. Operators are symbols that can manipulate the values of variables by performing a certain action or process on them. We've seen different operators like the concatenation or addition operator being used in our previous videos. The different types of operators include arithmetic, comparison or relational, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity. We will not be covering bitwise operators in this series, as it is outside the scope for beginner-level Python programming. Let's demonstrate how variables can be assigned, manipulated, and used. Let's assign 2 variables, a equals 1 and b equals 2. Now we have a variable a that is assigned the number value 1, and a variable b that is assigned the number value 2. If we go ahead and print the variables a and b, we see that the output shows 1 and 2 respectively. Variables can be named anything you want as long as the format only consists of letters, numbers, and underscores, and the variable name cannot start with a number. Let's try to manipulate the data in the variables we have set. Let's add b to a and square the value. If we print the a variable out, we see that it is not 1 anymore as we originally assigned it, but it is now 9. We successfully manipulated the value stored in a. Now, let's make a variable c and store the result of a times b in it. We see from the output that c is the product of a and b. Variables can not only store values, but they can also resolve expressions and store the results. As you can see, the result of a times b is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the content discussed in this video, please drop a like and subscribe to show your support and help the YouTube algorithm to better interpret the channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and please provide any feedback, good or bad, we don't discriminate, in the comment section down below. Have a nice one.